Everyone, yes, our goods are here. So I'll start unboxing. Oh my god, I was trying to check it up yesterday night, but so tired. Very beautiful. Wow, can you see the bag? I don't know if my camera is doing justice to this bag. The bag is so beautiful. This is Sophia. Then this one is the Superman bag. The 3-in-1 bag. Very beautiful. Look at the car on. We have these bags. So they've arrived. So if you want this bag, get ready for our next sea shipping badge. So you can get it and enjoy the bag. The quality is top notch. 3-in-1 bag. Has different cartoon characters. Yes, so beautiful. So beautiful. So that's the slippers. The kid lighting slippers. It's very beautiful. Look at the black. Look at the lightning. I don't know if my camera is doing justice to this. Very beautiful. Quality is top notch. So can you see this? So get ready to join the next sea shipping badge to get all this. We are still doing so many unboxing. The cartons are much. Can you see this one? These are pressure pots. These are pressure pots. See packaging now. These are pressure pots. These are pressure pots. So I just brought out one for us to see. See it. 8 liters. You can see it. 8 liters for that amount I gave. So many people give for 5 liters that same amount, but we gave very affordable price for 8 liters. You can see it written there in the package. So it's not something that we'll just say anyhow. I wrote 8 liters and this is it. 8 liters. Very beautiful. So if you know you want this, get ready to join the next sea shipping badge coming up this month and get your own pressure pots. This pot market price is 30k to 35. So jump on this offer. It's very, very beautiful. This pot is top notch. These are pressure pots. Let me still unbox others. So these are yam pounder. Can you see it? Top notch. 6 liters. These are yam pounder. This King's Kitchen Expert. So if you love pounded yam, you don't need to stress yourself. Just get this beautiful yam pounder and enjoy your pounded yam. See, it's top notch. So get ready for this in our next sea shipping. See, we are 100% legit. Once you get it, we'll deliver immediately. So it's super amazing. These are toothpaste holder. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful. We have in different colors. Look at pink. That's what pink looks like. The other color, have you seen it? We have another color. The cartons different. So if you want this, jump on this offer. Imagine getting this for 500 on pre-order. Very affordable. So get this. Get ready for our next one. That's our pencil. Oh, this is lovely. 30 pieces in a pack. So many people miss this offer because I didn't want to use it for air shipping. You see, it's heavy. You can see it. It's heavy. And the quality is wow. Beautiful. It has different cartoon characters. So if you got this in our last pre-order or more, you're getting a very beautiful thing. Your children will enjoy it. Very fine. So this is the solar charging lights. This thing, very effective. The quality is superb. It charges your phone. It uses solar. It's also rechargeable. It's also used as a fan, electric fan, charging light, electric fan, Bluetooth audio. Super amazing. So it's also here. So that's it. Can you see it? Solar fan lamp, electric fan. That used as a compass, used as a Bluetooth audio, used as a fan switch, as a Bluetooth, everything, and it uses solar. So if you missed the last batch, you can also join this new sea shipping batch so you can get it. You can see our shipping dish. Look at how big it is. Can you see how big it is?